Look at me now, look at me now, oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah.
This weapon features a fully metal upper receiver and fires at about 375 feet per second. The firing selector switch, the bolt release, and the mag release are completely ambidextrous. Magpul has included a holographic sticker on the left side of the weapon that says Magpul and has the Magpul logo. The weapon features a fully metal outer barrel and a top rail that spans the full length of the upper receiver up the weapon, and it is metal. This weapon comes with a Magpul PTS handguard. It does not feature any rails and does not include them either. The bolt release and bolt leveler are very interesting. When you pull it back, it releases the mag, and you require to pull the bolt release to release the handle. And when you do so, you can put the mag back in and lock it in place. As mentioned before, this weapon features an ambidextrous mag release. Also, as stated before, this weapon has an ambidextrous fire selector switch. This weapon is unique because the motor grip is not detachable. It is molded into the weapon, but it features a very nice textured grip, and you can remove the motor for upgrades and adjustments. This weapon features a retractable and folding stock, which includes an adjustable cheek rest. As seen here, the charging handle has been pulled back, and now you may access the hop-up chamber.